Happy Sunday, everybody. I just wanted to share a little bit of what I've been working on and some tricks to save a little bit of money. So if you've been following along, I've been decorating a Christmas tree in my entryway all year long. I recently decorated for a fall tree, and I did the same kind of cost savings tutorial there, and I'm just going to show you what I did for that here. But to start, I want to show you what I have on this tree. Keep in mind, this is not the final product. I've just been kind of messing around. I really wanted to test out this ribbon, which is my favorite. This is why I bought this to put on a flock tree. It's this really high-end fabric ribbon. And again, I spent more money on this because I knew I wanted this look. You do not have to spend a lot of money on ribbon. I talked about that in a Christmas tree ribbon IGTV video that I have. You can get really great ribbon at Costco, so don't think that you have to use this kind of ribbon. But what I've done is I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday. They have everything 50% off Christmas, and if you think it's too early to shop for Christmas, don't. Because by the time you want to go shop for Christmas, half this stuff will be gone. So these really great fine like branch picks were on sale. These really long white ones that you see that are coming down through here that are glitter, those are also on sale. I used some of these down here too. These long white ones were $9.99, 50% off, so $5 a piece. These were $6.99, so 50% off, so you know, $3 something a piece. I also got these little glitter pom-poms, everything 50% off. The other thing that was 50% off that I really wanted to take a little extra distance than just the pick itself, one pick, are these white pom-poms. And I knew for me that putting this in a tree as a whole entire pick was going to be way too overpowering for my style. So just like I did in the fall tree, I've taken these picks. There are 6 stems on each one. This was $9.99, so it was $5 on sale. I actually take my kind of like tin snips and I cut these at the base, and now I have a single pick that I can put in the tree anywhere I want. So I bought 3 of these picks. I will get 18 individual picks out of that for $15, which is a fabulous deal. So if you're looking, again, to try to start decorating in different ways, you can try this, and then you can really place these individual palms where you want, and they're not as overpowering. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Again, this is not final product. I just wanted to start getting an idea of how I might want to decorate the tree. I am using 3 different ribbons currently. I've got this red one, this sheer gold one, and then this really cute white like bark birch one that has more of a woodland feel. But let me know what you think. I hope you get some good deals and you have a great time shopping for your Christmas tree.